set my key to be D minor, if I remember correctly, so I might want to kick that in D, or let's check out this one over here that's tuned as an E. Boom, I like that one. So let's say we want to use this now in the Note app. Now that you found the sample that you want to use, all you need to do is hit the share button right here in Dropbox and then export file. Now what you can do is you can export and just send that sample right to the Note app. All right, so that was a Cashmere house kick. Now, if I go back to the Note app and click on just the kick sample, clicking in the middle will allow you to swap the sample from the kit that was in there. Boom, swap sample. Let's see if I can find that one. Drums, core library, all samples, imported samples. And here are a bunch of them that I've imported. Let's go with that one. I think it's not the same one, but it's pretty good. It's a different Cashmere kit that I've already imported. So boom, let's hear that. Now we just got a lot more punch and a lot more drive going on here.